Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make BeTheMii's me. This is a YouTuber's me. Let's go. You want this face, these freckles, none of these, and just keep her pale. You want this hair, and just keep it this colour. You want these eyebrows and these positions. Pause the video anytime you need to. And this colour. On these eyes and these positions. And make it green. This colour, that green. Don't go choosing any other green. Got this nose, these positions. Want this mouth, these positions. It doesn't matter what colour you change it to because it's a black mouth, so it won't change. No facial hair. No mole. Not this mole because I haven't chosen a mole. Female. Body, just keep the body where it is, so it's just really easy. Got no glasses. Favourite colour, light green. And type in BeTheMii but with no spaces, and that wouldn't fit. So lucky the YouTuber's name is just all connected, all the words connected. There you go, you've made BeTheMii's me.